Kia ora whānau. I just got back from the Koanga fashion show at the Assembly Hall in Hastings, and I just wanted to give you a bit of an update of what happened today. Got to perform at the Maori Music Awards expo. That was amazing. Got to share my song with that I'm doing through the competition with Scrub With Us. Also, I got to sing with the Solid Serenity Girls, that's Jaime-lee and Bobby, at the Koanga fashion show. That was just amazing, great talent. You know, it's time to uplift our the next generation up and coming. That we seize the opportunities and we are the ones to give them. So whānau, my day has been full on and really happy to be home. And yeah, don't forget to keep voting. Whānau, please go to the link, like it, share with the rest of your whānau and tell them to vote as well. There's 4 days to go, not too long to go, and really looking forward to the outcome and the result. So I hope you all have a blessed night and a blessed weekend. Love yous all. Bye.